Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Samsung Intelligent Wi-Fi Security on Samsung A57. Scroll from the top, open Wi-Fi Settings, then Details, and in the top right corner, 3 dots, then Intelligent Wi-Fi. Here you have Switch to Better Wi-Fi Networks and you have Detect Suspicious Networks. Get notified when suspicious activity is detected on the current Wi-Fi network. Then go into Connectivity Labs. If you don't know how to access it, then watch one of our previous videos of how to do it. Then scroll down and right here you have Show Network Quality Info, and you have Customize Wi-Fi List Settings. Click the Show Filter menu, Wi-Fi Developer Options, and here you have nearby Wi-Fi informations that you can check, and also the Home Wi-Fi Inspection. When you go back to Wi-Fi, here you have that category or displays, and you can select only the secured Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.